Here we go! Oh! Funnel cloud!
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Wayne County, southeastern Johnston County, until 4 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., a thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles northwest of Mount Olive, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Goldsboro around 3:35 p.m. Fremont around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include March Mac, Brogden, Nantucket, Peoria, and Grantham. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Johnston, and Wayne. This is no